Brian Randolph Greene, born February 9, 1963, is an American theoretical physicist, mathematician, and string theorist. He has been a professor at Columbia University since 1996 and chairman of the World Science Festival since co-founding it in 2008. Greene has worked on mirror symmetry, relating two different Calabi-Yau manifolds, concretely, relating the conifold to one of its orbifolds. He also described the flop transition, a mild form of topology change, showing that topology in string theory can change at the conifold point. Greene has become known to a wider audience through his books for the general public, The Elegant Universe, Icarus at the Edge of Time, The Fabric of the Cosmos, The Hidden Reality, and related PBS television specials. He also appeared on the Big Bang Theory episode, The Herb Garden Germination, as well as the films Frequency and The Last Mimsy. He is currently a member of the board of sponsors of the Bulletin of the Atomic Scientists. Early life. Greene was born in New York City of Jewish background. His father, Alan Greene, was a one-time vaudeville performer and high school dropout who later worked as a voice coach and composer. After attending Stuyvesant High School, Greene entered Harvard University in 1980 to concentrate in physics. After completing his bachelor's degree, Greene earned his doctorate from Magdalen College, Oxford University, graduating in 1987. While at Oxford, Greene also studied piano with the concert pianist Jack Gibbons. Career. Greene joined the physics faculty of Cornell University in 1990 and was appointed to a full professorship in 1995. The following year, he joined the staff of Columbia University as a full professor. At Columbia, Greene is co-director of the university's Institute for Strings, Cosmology, and Astroparticle Physics and is leading a research program applying superstring theory to cosmological questions. With co-investigators David Albert and Maulik Parekh, he is a FQXI large grant awardee for his project entitled, Arrow of Time in the Quantum Universe. Research. Greene's area of research is string theory, a candidate for a theory of quantum gravity. He is best known for his contribution to the understanding of the different shapes the curled-up dimensions of string theory can take. The most important of these shapes are so-called Calabi-Yau manifolds. When the extra dimensions take on those particular forms, physics in 3 dimensions exhibits an abstract symmetry known as supersymmetry. Greene has worked on a particular class of symmetry relating two different Calabi-Yau manifolds, known as mirror symmetry, and is known for his research on the flop transition, a mild form of topology change, showing that topology in string theory can change at the conifold point. Currently, Greene studies string cosmology, especially the imprints of trans-Planckian physics on the cosmic microwave background, and brain gas cosmologies that could explain why the space around us has 3 large dimensions, expanding on the suggestion of a black hole electron, namely that the electron may be a black hole. World Science Festival. In 2008, together with Tracy Day, former ABC News producer, Greene co-founded the World Science Festival, whose mission is to cultivate a general public informed by science, inspired by wonder, convinced of its value, and prepared to engage with its implications for the future. He is currently the chairman of the board. The World Science Festival's signature event is a 5-day festival in New York City, typically falling in May, hailed a new cultural institution by the New York Times. The festival has featured such luminaries as Stephen Hawking, Edward O. Wilson, Sir Paul Nurse, James Watson, Anna Deavere Smith, Francis Collins, Philip Glass, Yo-Yo Ma, Oliver Sacks, Mary Claire King, William Phillips, Paul Davies, Elizabeth Vargas, Sir Roger Penrose, Charlie Rose, Lisa P. Jackson, John Lithgow, Vinton Cerf, Glenn Close, Jeffrey Eugene Ides, Bill T. Jones, Joyce Carol Oates, Elaine Fuchs. The first 6 festivals have drawn close to 1 million visitors, and millions more have explored the year-round content available online. Communicating science. Greene is well known to a wider audience for his work on popularizing theoretical physics, in particular string theory and the search for a unified theory of physics. His first book, The Elegant Universe, Superstrings, Hidden Dimensions, and the Quest for the Ultimate Theory, published in 1999, is a popularization of superstring theory and M-theory. It was a finalist for the Pulitzer Prize in Nonfiction, and winner of the Aventis Prizes for Science Books in 2000. The Elegant Universe was later made into a PBS television special of the same name, hosted and narrated by Greene, which won a 2003 Peabody Award. Greene's second book, The Fabric of the Cosmos, Space, Time, and the Texture of Reality 2004, is about space, time, and the nature of the universe. Aspects covered in this book include non-local particle entanglement as it relates to special relativity and basic explanations of string theory. It is an examination of the very nature of matter and reality, covering such topics as spacetime and cosmology, origins and unification, and including an exploration into reality and the imagination. The Fabric of the Cosmos was later made into a PBS television special of the same name, hosted and narrated by Greene. Greene's third book, The Hidden Reality, Parallel Universes and the Deep Laws of the Cosmos, published in January 2011, deals in greater depth with multiple universes, or, as they are sometimes referred to collectively, the multiverse. A book for a younger audience, Icarus at the Edge of Time, ISBN 978-0-307-26888-4, which is a futuristic retelling of the Icarus myth, was published September 2, 2008. In addition to authoring popular science books, Greene is an occasional op-ed contributor for The New York Times, writing on his work and other scientific topics. The popularity of his books and his natural on-camera demeanor have resulted in many media appearances, including Charlie Rose, The Colbert Report, The NewsHour with Jim Lehrer, The Century with Peter Jennings, CNN, Time, Nightline in Primetime, Late Night with Conan O'Brien, and The Late Show with David Letterman. It has also led to Greene helping John Lithgow with scientific dialogue for the television series Third Rock from the Sun, and becoming a technical consultant for the film Frequency, in which he also had a cameo role. He was a consultant on the 2006 time travel movie Deja Vu. He also had a cameo appearance as an Intel scientist in 2007's The Last Mimsy. Greene was also mentioned in the 2002 Angel episode, Supersymmetry, and in the 2008 Stargate Atlantis episode, Trio. In April 2011 he appeared on The Big Bang Theory in the episode, The Herb Garden Germination, as himself, speaking to a small crowd about the contents of his most recent book. Greene often lectures outside of the collegiate setting, at both a general and a technical level, in more than 25 countries. In 2012 his teaching prowess was recognized when he received the Richtmyer Memorial Award, which is given annually by the American Association of Physics Teachers. In May 2013, the Science Laureates of the United States Act of 2013 H.R. 1891, 113th Congress was introduced into Congress. Brian Greene was listed by one commentator as a possible nominee for the position of Science Laureate, if the act were to pass. In March 2015, an Australian spider that uses waves to hunt prey, Dolomedes briangreene, was to be named in honour of Brian Greene. Personal life. Greene is married to former ABC producer Tracy Day. They have one son, Alec, and one daughter, Sophia. Greene has been vegetarian since he was 9 years old and a vegan since 1997. Greene has stated that he sees science as incompatible with literalist interpretations of religion and that there is much in the new atheism movement which resonates with him because he personally does not feel the need for religious explanation. However, he is uncertain of its efficacy as a strategy for spreading a scientific worldview. Bibliography. Popular science. The Hidden Reality, Parallel Universes and the Deep Laws of the Cosmos 2011. Icarus at the Edge of Time 2008. The Fabric of the Cosmos, Space, Time, and the Texture of Reality 2004. The Elegant Universe, Superstrings, Hidden Dimensions, and the Quest for the Ultimate Theory 1999. Technical articles. For a full list of technical articles, consult the publication list in the Inspire HEP database. Easter, Richard, Greene, Brian R., Jackson, Mark G., Kabat, Daniel 2005. String Windings in the Early Universe. Journal of Cosmology and Astroparticle Physics. Arxiv, Hep Th, 04091121v1. Bibcode, 2005JCAP .02.009e. DOI 10 1088 1475 to 7516 2005 02 009. Easter, Richard, Greene, Brian R., Kinney, William H., Shiu, Gary 2002. A generic estimate of trans-Planckian modifications to the primordial power spectrum in inflation. Physical Review D66 2. Arxiv, Hep Th, 02041129v1. Bibcode 2002 PHRVD 66B3518E. DOI 10.1103 FISREVD.66.023518. R. Easter, B. Greene, W. Kinney, G. Shiu. Inflation as a probe of short-distance physics. Phys. Rev. D64 2001-103502. Brian R. Greene. D-brain topology changing transitions. NUCL. Phys. B5251998-284-296. Michael R. Douglas, Brian R. Greene, David R. Morrison. Orbifold resolution by D-brains. NUCL. Phys. B5061997-84-106. Brian R. Greene, David R. Morrison, Andrew Strominger. Black hole condensation and the unification of string vacua. NUCL. Phys. B4511995-109-120. P.S. Aspinwall, B.R. Greene, D.R. Morrison. Calabi-Yau moduli space, mirror manifolds and spacetime topology change in string theory. NUCL. Phys. B4161994-414-480. B. R. Greene and M. R. Plesser. Duality in Calabi-Yau moduli space. NUCL. Phys. B3381990-15.